So today I'll be showing you how to change the audio of an Instagram reel you've already posted. So let's go to my profile page and find one of my reels. So as you can see, this reel already has music. And if I want to edit this reel, or if I want to change the audio, if I tap on the three dot button in the top right corner, you'll notice there's really no way of changing the music. Okay, even if you go to the edit menu, there are a couple of things you can edit, like the caption, you can change tags, you can change location, paid partnership, and even if you go to advanced settings, you can only change the closed captions, but you cannot change the audio of the Instagram reel. Now there's a workaround which I'm going to show you, and this workaround is not very pretty, but it's going to get the job done. So first, if you have the original video in your gallery or in your phone's camera roll, then you might have to repost this particular Instagram reel. Okay. And as you're reposting, then you can add or change the music to the music you want. Or if you don't have the original video in your gallery, then you can do a simple download because it's your own Instagram reel. If you come here to the share button, this little arrow here, you can download the Instagram reel to your gallery. And then on your gallery, now you can go ahead and repost. Now it's finished downloading, so it's available in my phone's gallery, and here it is. All right. Now it's going to have the audio, which I want to change. So you can always go to Instagram, tap on the post new reel option. Let's go to reels, and then go to our gallery and select the video. Okay, so here it is. It does have the other music that I want to change. So what I need to do is just tap on the music icon, and then now I can add the song I want. So I can add that one, and then tap on done, and it's going to mute the previous song and add this new song. Now if it doesn't mute the previous song, I can just tap on that music icon again, tap on controls, and make sure camera audio is set to 0. Okay, because that's the camera audio is going to be the previous song. And now our new song is here, so tap on done, and then now you can continue posting. Now in case the audio was on the video for the previous song, then you might have that little problem. Like I said, this is not a very pretty process. It's just a workaround because Instagram doesn't offer a way of changing the music. Okay, so you can go ahead and publish this particular Instagram reel once again. And while that uploads, or once it's done uploading, so let's just be patient. Once it's done and you refresh the page, you're going to see 2 Instagram reels, so you can delete the previous one. Okay, so just tap on the 3 dot button and tap on delete, and now you can have the Instagram reel you wanted with the song you wanted. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.